Bharat to honor us with a shawl. Pranam Kaji, it is a video of our foundation. Also, I request Varnambika ji to honor with a shawl and the momentum to Rabindranath ji, father of Manoj Dixit ji. Manoj Rabindranath ji, please. Also request a momentum to Rabindranath ji. Our amazing artist today, R. Rajendran ji. And I request Janmeji Anna to felicitate our Sohamanam ji. Thank you so much everybody for being here with us today to inaugurate this very special occasion with your presence. Thank you so much and enjoy the exhibition and the music. Thank you. Wants to speak?
Good evening. I thank very much Mr. Janmajay for carrying out this auspicious day in the commemorating the day of my son's demise, which is about 18 days before. He was a great artist around the world, known. Not only that, he has written a bunch of poems regarding many things. Also, in his memory, I have also written a poem. So that is regarding our everyday's beat. Applaud by the Ministry and the Government of Seychelles, Honorable High Commissioner of India. And when he came down to India also, his artwork, not only in Pondicherry, it has gone abroad to many countries. And not only that, he has.
And I just started performing in Puducherry but outside of the ashram. Back in those days, I'm talking about 15 years ago, sponsorships were not there, and the place where I was supposed to play, Manoj just offered that, okay, I'll arrange for the sound, and I didn't even know Manoj personally. He was known to the organizer who had maybe requested Manoj to help and all that. So I have a lot of gratitude and a lot of good feelings that as much as many of you, I am also in loss of words in what has happened. So I would like to offer this in that feeling of gratitude that selflessly, without knowing what is my potential in music, he just offered to, it's that kind of thing that I'm talking about. So I will try my best to be in service of music towards prayer.
Rajendra ji, dear Janmajay, trustee Bharat Nivas, and respected Tamil Puducherry Tamil Sangam President and Mr. Late Manoj Kumar's father, Chachaji, and his friend and media friends and all the artists and my dear Auroville residents. We are very good evening to all of you. I feel very honored and privileged to inaugurate this photography and painting session of Mr. Rajendran Ji under the name The Nature's Life Journey, a tribute to late Manoj Kumar Dikshit. Chachaji, I am very much touched upon to know about Mr. Manoj and his contributions towards the art. And I hope this soul from the heaven will bless everyone here. And I hope and I wish this art exhibition could turn out as a grand success. And Manoj Dikshit's soul will ever bless you for successfully conducting this exhibition. And my best wishes also for you for your future endeavors. Thank you.
To exhibit photography and painting and tributing to Manoj Dikshit. Actually, I know Manoj Dikshit for nearly 20 years, your friend. So one day he called me 4 months before. He called me and he told that I have 2 books about the photography. So I'm much concentrated on the painting. So photography, I was not able to make more journey in that. So this is a very special book from USA. Someone gifted many years before beginning. So he was thinking that few months before he came to my photography exhibition. He visited the exhibition. He thought one day he was thinking he wanted to gift these 2 books to some photographer. So that day, after he come to my exhibition and after 1 week he called me, Ajitran, your name only comes to my thought to gift the 2 books. So it will be like a triangle shape, that 2 books about the photography. So he called me, that day I am going to leave, next day I am leaving to Rameswaram for one program, the one kid from Talaimana to Dhanushkodi, swimming and coming and making a record. So I am going to witness that program. So I told, come tonight only, get it the book and go to Rameswaram, he told me. So I went and collected. So it's like a very antique piece. It has a large number of volumes. Every subject we can see in that book. So he told, I feel you will utilize this book very usefully. So you can do more photography. Whenever you do, many techniques are there in the book, so you can learn it. So he gifted me. So that message I was discussing to Janvijay sir when he was asked at that moment we are there and I'm sharing the thoughts to him. So immediately he told, why don't you tribute a short to him. So I also without any thinking, immediately I said, okay, I will tribute. So I have my collection of photography painting already. But after that only I painted this very newly for this show actually. So suddenly I was 12 o'clock night, I was thinking what painting I can do, especially for this. I have some other collections already, some new painting I want to do. So immediately this, the gathering of the Madhuri Mandir from all over the world, people come and unitedly doing meditation of peace. So that struck my mind and I started painting. So before the exhibition I completed and also presented. So I am very thankful for our Deputy Secretary of Moral Foundation coming and inaugurating the show, and our guest, Sir Amit Shakam and Art Director Rahul Sir, the artists, all other artists who come and supporting the even and the family members of Manoj Dikshit. So we are all your children like Manoj, so we are with you. So whenever you want to think of Manoj, we are with you, so you don't worry. And I feel that from the bottom of our heart I am sharing this with you, sir. And so thanks to Auroville Foundation members for collecting our helped with all these beautiful program to arrange. And with this kid also, maybe they will do some painting and exhibit here. So we will come and witness in future. So best wishes for them also. This Manoj gathering day, so all will pray for him. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you.
Request Secretary Madam.
talk. I went to see the Ticket photograph. I turned and see this. Bondi Beach, Rock Beach, Black Cat is early morning visit. I feel like the cold. This is 2006. I taken in Pondicherry, Chinnakarai. At that time, this is also Uttarakhand Himalayan ranges. Near the Kanatal is there. So from there, I get taken from the zoom lens. So this is Rock Beach. You can see marriage photographs taken part in Pondi Rock Beaches. It's a early morning. People go and take it for marriage. I saw witness this taking. This was Uttarakhand.
Functions from Pondicherry.
Yes, yes. I'm the first person to get business from my first Pondicherry.
ಬೋರ್ಡೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದು ಸಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇವತ್ತು ಅದೇ ರೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು
மாதிரி எல்லா மாநிலங்களும்
சரிங்க பாருங்க.
நல்லா வருதா?
ஒரு சொல்லுங்கண்ணா.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். பாரத நிவாசில் நடைபெறுகின்ற ஆரோவில் பகுதியில் அமைந்துள்ள பாரத் நிவாசில் இருக்கின்ற ஓவிய கண்காட்சி இந்த உலக புகழ்பெற்ற அளவில் நடைபெறுகின்றது. இந்த ஓவியம் வரைந்த ஓவியராக திரு அன்புக்கினி அருமை நண்பர் முனைவர் அசிஸ் வேர்ல்டு ரெக்கார்டு நிறுவன தலைவர் ராஜேந்திரன் அவர்கள் பொறுப்பேற்று இந்த ஓவிய கண்காட்சி திறம்பட நடத்தி கொண்டிருக்கிறார். இந்த கண்காட்சி திறப்பு விழாவிற்காக வருகை தந்து இந்த ஃபவுண்டேஷனுடைய துணை செயலாளர் அன்பிற்கினிய சொர்ணாம்பிகை ஐபிஎஸ் அவர்களும் மற்றும் நரேஷ் ராம் என்பவரும் அவரோடு ஜென்மஜி மற்றும் நானும் சேர்ந்து இந்த கண்காட்சியை துவக்கி வைத்துள்ளோம். ஆகவே இந்த கண்காட்சி இன்னும் 14 நாட்களுக்கு மேலாக நடைபெற இருக்கின்றன. காலை 9 மணி முதல் மாலை 4:30 மணி நேரம் இந்த கண்காட்சி நடைபெறுகிறது. இந்த ஓவியங்களை ஆர்டிஸ்ட் ஓவியர் என்று உலக புகழ்பெற்ற ஓவியராக விளங்கிக் கொண்டிருக்கின்ற திருமிகு முனைவர் ராஜேந்திரன் அவர்கள் சிறப்பாக நடத்தி கொண்டிருக்கிறார். இந்த கண்காட்சியில் ஒரு சிறப்பு என்னென்னா, இங்கு வருகின்றப்போ தான் இங்கு ஒரு திருவள்ளுவர் சிலை இருப்பதை தமிழ் கலாச்சார மையம் என்ற அமைப்பு இருக்கின்றது. அந்த மையத்தின் முன்பாக திருவள்ளுவருடைய முழு உருவச் சிலை கற்சிலை இங்கு ஐயா டாக்டர் விஜி சந்தோஷமாக வழங்கப்பட்ட சிலை இங்கு இருக்கின்றது. அதை பார்க்கும்போது உண்மை மகிழ்ச்சியாக இருந்தது. ஆரோவில் உள்ளே இருக்கின்ற சிலைகள் 2, அதில் ஒன்று திருவள்ளுவர், இன்னொன்று அரவிந்தருடைய சிலை. ஆக இப்படிப்பட்ட புகழ்பெற்ற ஒரு மையத்தில் இந்த ஆரோவில் மையத்தில் நடைபெறுகின்ற இந்த யாத்திரை நிவாஸ் என்று சொல்லக்கூடிய இந்த கலைக்கூடத்தில் நடைபெறுகின்ற இந்த கண்காட்சி பொதுமக்களும் மற்றும் ஓவியர்களும் மற்ற அனைவருமே பார்த்து பயன்பெறக்கூடிய ஒன்றாகும். இதற்காக என்னை சிறப்பு விருந்தினராக அழைத்த அன்பிற்கினிய அருமை நண்பர் முனைவர் ராஜேந்திரன் அவர்களுக்கு நன்றி உறுத்தாக்கி கொண்டு என்னுடன் வருகை தந்த தமிழ்ச்சங்கத்தினுடைய ஆட்சிக்குழு உறுப்பினர் அன்பிற்கினிய கவிஞர் ஆரா அவர்களுக்கும் மற்றும் வருகை தந்த அனைவருக்குமே நன்றியை தெரிவித்துள்ளேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
நன்றி, தேங்க்யூ.